Hello everyone. I really wanted to show these bracelets that I created. These are probably some of my most intricate work so far. I think they're absolutely brilliant, gorgeous, detailed. I made them in two colors. As you can see, I made an antique gold and I made a silver. So let's take a little closer look at some of these. As you can see, each one has its signature twist. There you go, all throughout on both you're going to have the signature twist. These are actually alloy metal. Is alloy ever going to fade? Alloy is a very strong metal. It's really good for making jewelry. Obviously it's not real gold or sterling silver, but here's the thing, it holds up pretty darn well. It's a very strong metal for the most part, yet still malleable, where we can shape it into different pieces. As it pertains to fading, anything that isn't real gold, pretty much it's going to fade over time. The question is, how long? Some alloys might be a little bit better depending on the chemistry makeup. I'm always thinking ahead. So here's the deal. By the color choices that I chose here, you see the wire that I chose? I could have put a brighter gold on that, but I chose to do the antique with this gold because I thought, you know, one, it looks really sharp. I think it looks great like that. It gives the whole piece a more of a vintage look. But secondly, if and when this particular piece starts to tarnish or fade in its color, in my opinion, it is probably going to look even better as time takes hold of it. We'll see. But either way, because of the color combinations I chose, even if you do get some fading on these over time, I still think you're going to have money well spent. I think you're going to get a lot of use out of these. Let's take another closer look here. I really worked my tail off on these bracelets. So here we have them opened up. Keep in mind, I wanted to show you the length of these, the overall length, and to provide a better look at the actual design while they're open. They do have the lobster claw closures there on both of them. These are available now on my Etsy shop. It's etsy.com/shop/twistbydesign. Of course, the link will be below. I've only got 2 of these to go around, so I hope I can find them a lovely home. So till next time, enjoy. Bye-bye.